Everyone, welcome to this tutorial video on how to go about adding players for your club teams. This is just to get the provincial team heads acquainted with getting the club teams ready for the club championships. Okay, so first thing you need to do is hover over players and then click on add new. So once that loads, you'll need to add the name of your player. So I'm just going to go ahead and call it my player. If you scroll down towards the sidebar, you can add in their Twitter name, the Twitter handle, the squad number, nationality, positions. Current teams would be your team that you just registered. Now, your current teams will only show up once VSA has approved it. So the important thing you need to do is make sure that your clubs, your teams are created and approved before you can add your players. So my team, past teams, if that's relevant. Leagues, you choose between whatever leagues the club is going to be participating in. Season would be 2018. You enter the age here. Now this metric section is basically for VSA's records. This was taken directly out of the player registration form. So this is just for good record keeping. So you need to add in the club name here again, province, district, ID number, local municipality, district address, Selga district address, city, postal code, all this information that would have appeared on the volleyball player registration form, the old volleyball player registration form. And then you choose between them being an indoor or a beach. Enter the gender there and height. And then you select photo. So you'll go and you upload the picture of your player. And then under alt text, you put the name of your player. So once a picture loads, you can proceed, and after you've entered all your information, you can go up and then click on publish. Now, because team managers have been given the privilege of publishing players directly, they don't need to wait for the VSA official to approve the player. So now our player has been registered. You can view the player. So you'll see the picture will come here and then all the relevant information that we've entered here as well, except for the ID number and sensitive information like address and such. So yeah, that concludes registering a player. Hope you got the most out of this tutorial. If you have any questions, please email us at info@ovgraphics.com. Thanks.